Bumabagsak na naman ang ulan, guys. Ano? Bumabagsak na naman ang ulan. Ayan. Ay, Diyos ko. Ulan ng snow. Ito yung ating update ngayon, guys. At ako'y parang pagod na pagod. Sa labas tayo. At galing tayo nagkipag lunch date sa aking kaibigan kasi mayroon tayong transaction, and then ngayon may kinuha akong order. Hindi lang ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi na ano tayo sa kwentuhan, kaya off cam tayo. So yan na, guys. Thank you.
A few moments later.
The day of my life. Ito naman, guys. The day of my life. The day of my vlog. Ito na naman yung ating pansit na walang kamatayan. Ayan. So, sino sa may birthday ngayon? Ito. Tapos puso kong ipaghandog sa inyo itong aking luto na pansit na walang kamatayan. Ayan. So, ganito lang yan, guys. Ito ay egg noodles. As usual na aking niluluto. Black fungus, bell pepper, carrots, onions, and garlic. Yan lang ang ating At saka, kung bakit masarap at maging makulay, mayroon tayong paprika na nilalagay dito sa ating pansit. Kung mag-isa tayo ng mga sangkap, gulay, lagyan natin ng paprika. Napakasarap, guys, na mayroong paprika. Sweet paprika. Ito yung ating pansit. Napakasarap. Talaga kasi medyo fry siya. Ayan. 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 Ano ito? Dry noodles. At ko lang. Blanch ng saglit. Ayan. Para hindi na tayo matagalan at hindi magputol. Ano ba yung yung ating noodles. Ayan. Diba pag hindi natin iba-blanch, maging yung ating noodles, hindi siya maging maganda kasi mapuputol siya, and then hindi natin makontrol yung tubig. Ito maganda kasi pinablanch na natin at gigisa tayo ng mga gulay. Anong gulay na gusto niyo ilagay? Ayan na. Wala itong meat, walang chicken, walang kung ano-ano. Ayan, meron tayong mga toppings na ilalagay kung ano yung gusto nilang toppings. Ayan, chicken, beef, ganun. Kasi may ginagawa na tayong mga toppings. Ayan, pang garnish. Kumbaga, ayan lang, guys, yung ating pansit. This is the day of my life. Ayan. Pansit is life. Pahaba ng buhay. Yes, diba, guys? Pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Ayan, sa mga magbe-birthday. Ayan. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Donna Rosa Vlog. Ito yung ating vlog for today. Yan, guys. Thank you. Guys, ito na naman tayo. The day of my life. Pasta is life. Na naman tayo. Ayan. Sorry, guys, hindi naman tayo nakapag-start kung paano tayo gumawa. Ayan. Una lang naman is oil. Then, onion and garlic. So, at ito yung ating minced meat. Ito ay beef. Ayan. Wala tayong pork kasi. Minsan kasi, pwede ihalo yung beef at saka pork para maging masarap. Ito, pure beef. At Pag ganito kasi medyo dry. So, nilagyan natin ng butter, salt, and pepper. Yes, like that. And then, paprika. So, i-ano lang natin ito, steamer lang natin ng mga 10 minutes. Ika-cover natin. Okay? Okay, next step natin. Okay na yung ating meat. Lagay na natin yung ating macaroni. I think it's enough. Ayan. So, madami na yan. At lagyan natin ng water. Ayan. So, ganito yan paggawa ng macaroni fluff. Ang tawag nila yun. Ganito. Or in Russian dish. Ganun. So, ayan. Mikos-mikos lang natin. At saka lagyan natin ng tomato sauce. Ayan. Lagyan din natin ng water. Hanggang sa maluto yung ating macaroni. Okay? Na guys. Ayan. Titikman lang natin yung kanyang taste. If not enough, pwede nating dagdagan. Or yes, ng kanyan tomato sauce. Ayan. Mikos-mikos lang natin at dagdagan natin ng konting salt if not enough. Okay? So, dadagyan natin ng water. Ito siya guys, atin lang moderate lang natin yung ating apoy. So, para dahan-dahan na maluto. Ayan. So, ganito lang guys yung paggawa ng simpleng pasta at napakasarap. Ayan. Hindi pa enough yung ating macaroni. So, dagdagan natin ulit ng water. Check lagi natin kung okay yung ating macaroni at tuyo na ba siya. Kagaya nito. So, we need one more water. Okay? Guys, naluto na rin yung ating pasta. Ito yung guys, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. So, hindi siya dry. Today, hindi siya dry kasi nilagyan ko siya ng butter. Kasi pag hindi mo lagyan ng butter, so, very dry kasi nga yung beef pag ma-dry siya kasi hindi siya madaming taba, di ba? Hindi siya ma-fatty. So that's it. Our pasta today it's done. So yummy. Ayan. Mayroon na naman tayong vlog for today. So sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, please subscribe. Donna Rosa Vlog at tayo ay magluluto-luto-luto. Ayan, sa saring luto ni Donna Rosa. The day of my life. Pasta is life. Ayan. Okay guys. Comment and like our video. Don't forget, Donna Rosa Vlog.
Donna Rosa Black, come along with me. Cooking in the kitchen full of energy. Stir it up, taste it now, simple and so sweet. Every recipe she makes is always such a treat. Oh, Donna Rosa, shine a little more. Cooking love and laughter like never before. With her pets around and everywhere. Donna Rosa Black, joy is always there. Cute little paws, walking by her side. Pets in the vlog, spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day. Simple moments, in her special way. Oh, Donna Rosa worth the while. Cooking, caring, living so free. Dona Rosa Black, where we love to be. Oh, Dona Rosa, keep the lights so strong. In every vlog you belong. Cooking dreams with pets so dear. Dona Rosa Black, we're always here. Cute little paws walking by her side. Pets in the vlog spreading happy vibes. Morning to night she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way. Dona Rosa, keep the lights so strong. In every vlog you belong. Cooking dreams with pets so dear. Dona Rosa Black, we're always here. Joy is always there. Joy is always there. Cute little paws walking by her side. Pets in the vlog spreading happy vibes. Morning to night she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way. Cute little paws walking by her side. Pets in the vlog spreading happy vibes. Morning to night she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way. Dona Rosa, keep the lights so strong. In every vlog you belong. Cooking dreams with pets so dear. Dona Rosa Black, we're always here. Joy is always there. Joy is always there. Cute little paws walking by her side. Pets in the vlog spreading happy vibes. Morning to night she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way.